So today's just been like a really lucky day for us, we're already done. Usually when you have like a time slot appointment, they always like come towards the end of the time slot. But we're already done, and the gentleman that actually came to change the water meter was like, oh, well, your water meter's still good, it's just the base is cracked, right? That's why it's leaking. So he was like, so call the office, so so you don't get charged for the whole meter, like all brand new meter, which we already like paid for yesterday. He was like, oh, just call the office and like tell them that you only need to pay for the base. And I called the office while he was like still next to me, and then he just ended up like taking charge and like talking to the receptionist himself, and was like, like don't charge her for the whole meter, just charge her for the base. And I'm just really grateful, even though it took time, right? But I'm just really grateful that the people that actually came to help are all so very nice, so very helpful, and like literally like. To be very honest, I'm not sure, but maybe it's because they see like this, Asian woman, like helpless, like, right? Like they just want to like help me and make sure like things get done, so I guess there's like pros and cons of being a woman in an industry like this. Cons are some cons are, contractors speaking to you like you're an idiot, like you don't know what you're talking about, and or you can act innocent and act like you don't know anything, and then they're sometimes more likely to help you, right? I'm not really sure which one is like the best scenario, but either way it worked out. And I just want to like say that like how grateful I am, for the help that these people have, given me and supported me for.